JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Cash App business account. So opening a Cash App business account is very simple. So here I have the steps for you. Just go to the top right corner of your Cash App once you open it, and then you'll go to your profile. From profile, you'll go to personal, and from personal, you'll just have to locate the switch to business account. From there, when you scroll down, or when I scroll down, and you will see the next page right here, you will see you'll be able to switch to a business account. So what does this mean? You'll be able to stand out from your other competitors with a business badge, reach more customers, and simply with transparent pricing for your Cash App, and then tax prep made ready for you because they'll perform or they will prepare a Form 1099K for you. And then next, what you will do with your business if you're an individual or an incorporated business, LLC or nonprofit, you'll have to choose from between those. So if you are an individual, you'll just have to continue. And then right here, you will have to tell them about your business, like your business name, where your business location is, and more about your business. And then you'll have to confirm to switch to a business account. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.